Alright guys, I'm sorry. This is the same spot as my last fishing video, but I had to come down here and throw a few times. I was jonesing, wanted to catch a fish, and got about 2 hours before it gets dark and wanted to catch a fish, and this is the closest place. So come down here, water's very, very clear, and I'm just gonna throw this plopper some and ease to these places where I've caught fish before. Y'all have seen me catch fish before, and to be honest, I just want to catch a fish, so that's what I'm doing. I got my trusty old pumpkin red flake Senko on my back, and I got my plopper. That's what I had tied on, and I really don't want to change up right now, so I'm just gonna keep plugging, see if I can't catch fish, show you guys, see if we can't catch fish. Ooh, good fish, good fish. That was a nice bass. Really nice bass, he just didn't take it. I'm gonna throw this Senko in there, see if I can catch him. I don't think he got any hook. Usually when a fish comes up and misses it like that, throw that Senko in and catch him. Take long. Spot. That's the fish that missed the plopper. Pretty one too, pretty spot. Classic example of missing the top water and following up with a Senko. Really neat. You could actually see him come up and hit it. That's a good spot. There he is. Decent fish here. Nice fish right there, boys and girls. I'm still with me. Pretty little creek fish, about a pound, maybe. Pretty cool there, guys. Topwater fish. On the Whopper Plopper, 90 series, loon color, yellowhead. Caught a nice spot on the Senko. He actually come up and hit the top water first, missed it. I threw the Senko in, caught the fish, caught a topwater fish right here. But I'm gonna plug right here a little bit more, see if I can catch another fish. And then I'm gonna go back upstream again. There's a couple more places. Once again, you know, the last fishing video was right here, but couldn't stand it. Wanted to come down here and fish and getting some action. Nothing too crazy, but nice spot, a nice largie, good creek fish. I'm gonna keep plugging. Fish. Good fish, guys. Good fish, nice fish. Keep him down. Nice fish. No giant, but a good creek fish. Keeping him down, keeping him down. Good fish, guys. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish. Look at that. Boy, he drilled that thing. Nailed the Senko. I mean, good fish, good creek fish. Nailed the Senko. I threw it way in there and he just demolished it. All right, guys, I had cut the camera off for losing light and I just caught this dude. I'm sitting here. Oh, nice fish, another nice fish on the Senko. I'm sitting here talking to Derek. Cut the camera off because we about to give up. Foul hooked a little brim and then catches this dude. I'm glad we caught another fish, but I hate I didn't get the hook set, but sometimes that's how it goes. It's been a fun afternoon. I really originally just wanted to come down here, blow off some steam, and catch a couple fish, and ended up catching some good creek fish, which we always usually do here at this place. Senko, a couple top water, a nice spot, and then a couple largies like this. Nothing giant. It's been fun. Losing life. Turn this guy loose.